following counties in Maryland, Kent, and Queen Anne's. High wind warning in effect from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday. South winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with 50 to 60 miles per hour gusts expected. The areas affected include portions of central, northern and southern New Jersey, southeast Pennsylvania, northeast Maryland and central, northern and southern Delaware. The hazardous weather conditions are expected from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details: thunderstorms are possible on Monday that could result in even stronger wind gusts. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. This is a